I started out in digital marketing in 2007. Specifically, I started out with SEO and video marketing. After a couple of years, I just got bored with it, and I was looking for a new outlet, not because I just wanted to do it. It was more out of necessity. In my area, I live in the Fort Lauderdale, Miami area. It's a cutthroat business to be in SEO and video. It's like everyone and their mom is doing the same thing. And I just decided to transition over into paid ads. At first, it was just traditional PPC with AdWords and, mainly AdWords and Bing. And then I just found the Facebook ad network. And that's where it all began. It was basically the open door into the same form of advertising as AdWords and Bing, but it involved a lot more of a social element, more of an engaging element, and that's what seemed to really draw me in, and I don't know, it just seemed to click a lot quicker for me than the other networks that I was testing in the beginning. I would say I became more of a paid traffic guy around late 2012, early 2013. First off, I bought ads on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Reddit, StumbleUpon, and Pinterest. I think I mentioned that, but yeah, also Pinterest. So, I don't know, that's 8 to 9 different networks, all social. And Facebook is my primary driver, YouTube is secondary, and then the rest are sort of just like falling into place right now. And I would say the niches that I have targeted the most: real estate, all forms of it, from buying and selling homes to investors to coaches. I've helped business coaches, both in specific niches and just general business. I've worked with personal development coaches, a lot of coaches. I don't know why they seem to come to me, but I get a lot of coaches. I've worked with tons of internet marketers. I've probably run ads for some of the people you guys know about. And recently, I've had people from the solo ad industry. I've also had, let me just think here. I've had some local businesses like dentists and surgeons and things of that nature. I mean, it's all over the board. Right now, 90% of my clientele are coaches in all sorts of industries.